Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that can transform any home by adding elegance, functionality, and increased natural light. For Gilbert homeowners, a professionally installed bay window is more than just an upgrade, it's an investment in style, comfort, and property value. However, to ensure your bay window project is successful, there are several key considerations to keep in mind. Here's what you need to know. Understanding bay windows and their benefits. Bay windows are a combination of 3 or more windows that project outward from the main walls of a home, creating a beautiful alcove inside. They often consist of a large central window flanked by smaller angled windows. This design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also provides several functional advantages. Increased natural light. The design allows sunlight to pour in from multiple angles, brightening your living space. Enhanced views. Bay windows offer a panoramic view of your outdoor surroundings. Extra space. The alcove can be used for seating, storage, or display, adding functionality to your room. Improved ventilation. Opening the flanking windows can provide cross ventilation. Boosted home value. A bay window is a sought-after feature that can increase your home's market appeal. For Gilbert homeowners, these benefits are particularly significant, as bay windows complement the sunny Arizona climate and enhance indoor-outdoor living. Key factors to consider before installation. While bay windows offer numerous advantages, there are important factors to consider to ensure a successful installation. Professional expertise. Bay window installation is not a DIY project. It requires precise measurements, structural modifications, and expert craftsmanship. Hiring a professional installer ensures proper structural support for the added weight. Weatherproofing to prevent leaks and drafts. A polished, seamless finish that complements your home's aesthetic. Look for licensed, insured contractors in Gilbert with proven experience in bay window installations. Window material and style. Choose materials that suit your home's style, climate, and maintenance preferences. Popular options include vinyl, low maintenance and energy efficient. Wood, traditional and elegant but requires upkeep. Aluminum, durable and sleek, ideal for modern designs. For the Arizona heat, consider double or triple pane glass with low E coatings to enhance energy efficiency. Placement and design. Bay windows work well in various parts of the home, such as living rooms, kitchens, and master bedrooms. Think about orientation. Maximize light by placing the window on a south-facing wall, but consider shading solutions for the hot Gilbert summers. Purpose. Decide how you'll use the alcove space, reading nook, dining area, or decorative display. Style. Choose a design that complements your home's architectural theme. Energy efficiency. Gilbert's hot climate makes energy efficiency a top priority. To reduce cooling costs, invest in energy-efficient windows with features such as low E coatings to reflect heat, argon or krypton gas fills for insulation, thermal breaks in the frame to prevent heat transfer, Budget and ROI. Bay windows are a long-term investment, so prioritize quality over cost. While professional installation may have a higher upfront cost, it ensures durability and prevents costly repairs down the line. Moreover, a well-installed bay window can significantly boost your home's resale value. Preparing for installation. Proper preparation can streamline the installation process and minimize disruptions. Consultation and design. Work with your contractor to finalize the design, materials, and placement. Permits. Verify if permits are required for structural changes. Clear the area. Remove furniture, decor, and any obstructions near the installation site. Finding the right professional in Gilbert. Choosing the right contractor is crucial. Look for local companies with positive customer reviews, transparent pricing and warranties, a portfolio of past bay window installations. Request quotes from multiple contractors to compare services and ensure you're getting the best value. Conclusion. A professionally installed bay window is a stunning addition to any Gilbert home, offering a blend of beauty, functionality, and increased property value. By considering factors like materials, energy efficiency, and expert craftsmanship, you can ensure your bay window installation is a success. With the right preparation and a trusted professional, your new bay window will become a cherished feature of your home, enhancing your lifestyle for years to come.